Today we're discussing superfoods that can reduce your creatinine levels and keep your kidneys healthy. High creatinine levels may indicate kidney issues. In this video, we'll introduce 6 superfoods that are excellent for your kidneys. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help your kidneys function better. Elevated creatinine levels can be harmful to your kidneys, but the good news is that your diet can make a big difference. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what creatinine is. Creatinine is a waste product from digesting protein in your food and the natural breakdown of muscles. It is removed from the blood by our kidneys. While everyone has some creatinine, having too much might indicate kidney problems. The serum creatinine test checks how well your kidneys are cleansing your blood. For adult males, the typical range for creatinine levels is 60 to 110 micromoles per liter, or 0.7 to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter. For adult females, the average range is 45 to 90 micromoles per liter, or 0.5 to 1.0 milligrams per deciliter. Let's explore 6 foods that can help reduce high creatinine levels. Number 1, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vital vegetable for lowering creatinine, especially for those with CKD or chronic kidney disease. A 1-cup serving of raw cauliflower, about 107 grams, provides 2 grams of fiber, around 7% of your daily fiber needs. Thanks to its high fiber content, cauliflower helps your body dispose of waste products, including creatinine. Additionally, cauliflower contains antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and folate, which are excellent for kidney health. Antioxidants act like bodyguards, helping to eliminate free radicals that can harm your cells. Cauliflower is also low in potassium, making it beneficial for individuals managing electrolytes due to kidney disease. It's versatile and can be cooked in various ways, such as steaming, roasting, or sautéing. Number 2, berries, especially cranberries, are like kidney superheroes. They are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that do wonders for your kidneys. Regularly eating cranberries can help lower creatinine levels, which is excellent news for kidney health. Cranberries also support the healing and regeneration of your kidney cells. They bring essential nutrients like vitamin C, E, magnesium, and B vitamins, which aid in tissue repair. The antioxidants in cranberries fight off harmful free radicals in your kidneys caused by waste and toxins. Number 3, cabbage is quite the hero for kidney health, especially when it comes to diets aimed at supporting the kidneys. It has low potassium levels compared to other foods and helps in lowering creatinine levels in the blood. Packed with antioxidants and sulfur compounds, cabbage may help improve kidney function and protect the kidneys from inflammation and damage. The fiber in cabbage aids in digestion and waste removal, helping to reduce creatinine levels in the blood. It also contains various nutrients like phytochemicals, vitamin C, B vitamins, and vitamin K, which are essential for kidney health. Number 4, onions are not just a flavorful addition to meals, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Allicin, a compound found in onions, helps fight against germs and can even lower high blood pressure, critical for kidney health. Onions are a good source of vitamin C and calcium, vital for maintaining healthy kidneys. Their rich content of bioactive compounds acts as antioxidants, fighting inflammation and helping your kidneys stay in perfect shape. Onions also contribute to reducing blood pressure, which supports your kidneys on the road to recovery. Number 5, seeds. Adding certain seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, chia, or flax to your meals can help your kidneys work better and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds, for example, have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that may help the kidneys. Chia seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, making them great for your kidneys. Pumpkin seeds might help control blood sugar and lower the chance of kidney problems. However, they also contain potassium and phosphorus, so the amount you can eat depends on your kidney health. Number 6, eggplant is a great choice for people with kidney disease because it's low in potassium and sodium. It provides fiber, copper, manganese, B6, thiamine, and other vitamins and minerals essential for good health. Eggplant contains chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant that can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of liver disease. Some studies suggest that eggplant might have diuretic properties, helping your body make more urine and get rid of waste, including creatinine. For those with chronic kidney disease, we recommend a healthy diet with low salt and fats and lots of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Treating your kidneys to vibrant, unprocessed superfoods can help maintain balanced creatinine levels and smooth kidney function. Remember, progress is what matters on this journey, not perfection. Supporting your kidneys leads to their support in return. While making these changes, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for personalized care. A doctor can guide you based on a thorough checkup, ensuring you get the proper care and support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights into healing through food.